Have you ever deleted files from Docker only to find that your storage space hasn't changed? It's frustrating, right? If you're facing this issue, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to force Docker to release storage space after manually deleting files. I completely understand your concern. Many users have experienced the same issue after deleting large files, like log files from Docker. It can feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of trying to free up space without any success. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user mentioned that after manually deleting files from the Docker directory, the storage space didn't change. They even restarted the Docker service, but the problem persisted. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what could be happening here? When you delete files from Docker, especially in the device mapper storage driver, the space may not be immediately reclaimed. This is a common issue due to how Docker manages storage. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage your Docker storage more effectively in the future. To begin resolving the issue of Docker not releasing storage space, the user should first check the current disk usage of Docker. This can be done by running a specific command in the terminal. Next, the user should consider cleaning up unused Docker objects. This includes unused images, containers, and volumes. The user can do this by executing another command. If the user is still facing issues with storage space, they should specifically remove unused volumes. This can be done with a dedicated command that targets volumes. Finally, if the problem persists, the user may need to manually reclaim space from the Docker storage directory. This involves stopping the Docker service and removing specific files. Fun fact, did you know that Docker was originally developed to help manage applications in containers? Now it's a vital tool for developers worldwide, but even the best tools can have quirks. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user suggests that Docker doesn't automatically clean up storage space. They recommend taking charge of the cleanup yourself. One option is to refer to a blog post for guidance, but they personally prefer using third-party scripts like Docker Clean to manage leftover files. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly check your Docker storage and clean up unused resources. This simple habit can save you from storage headaches in the future. And there you have it. You should now be able to reclaim storage space in Docker effectively. Remember, regular maintenance is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and don't miss our upcoming videos on Docker best practices.